In this video, you will see how to type upside down exclamation mark on Mac keyboard. On your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, press and hold the control key, then press and hold the command key and press spacebar on your keyboard. You will see this emoji window. In the search bar, just type inverted exclamation mark and then you can just click on the exclamation mark to insert it into the document. The shortcut key to type inverted exclamation mark is press and hold the option key and then press 1. So option and 1. In this way you can type upside down exclamation mark on Mac quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Mac keyboard quickly. See you again in the next one.